Cybersecurity Analyst versus Ethical Hacker versus Security Engineer. Which security career should you choose? Introduction: cyber attacks are increasing every year. Every organization is investing in security. And with that, three roles are everywhere: Cybersecurity Analyst, Ethical Hacker, Security Engineer. They all work in cybersecurity. They all protect systems. But they do very different jobs. Many people choose a role just because it sounds exciting, and later realize it doesn't match their skills or mindset. In this video, I'll clearly explain what each role actually does, day-to-day responsibilities, skills and tools required, career growth paths, and which role fits you best. Let's break it down. 1. The big picture difference. Here's the simplest way to understand these roles. A cybersecurity analyst monitors and detects threats. An ethical hacker finds vulnerabilities by attacking systems legally. A security engineer designs and builds secure systems. Think of it like a fortress. Analyst watches the gates, hacker tests the walls, engineer designs the fortress itself. Now let's explore each role in detail. 2. Cybersecurity Analyst. The defender. A cybersecurity analyst works on the front line of defense. Their main responsibility is to monitor systems and respond to threats. Daily tasks include monitoring security alerts, analyzing logs and incidents, identifying malware or suspicious activity, responding to security breaches, creating incident reports. They'll answer questions like, is this alert a real attack? What systems are affected? How do we stop the threat? Common tools and skills. SIEM tools, firewalls and IDS, IPS, log analysis, networking, basic security frameworks. This role suits people who like investigation and analysis, are detail-oriented, prefer structured, shift-based work. It is often the entry point into cybersecurity careers. 3. Ethical hacker. The attacker with permission. An ethical hacker, also known as a penetration tester, works by thinking like an attacker. Their job is to find weaknesses before criminals do. Key responsibilities include performing penetration testing, simulating cyber attacks, identifying vulnerabilities in applications and networks, writing detailed vulnerability reports, suggesting fixes. They ask questions like, how can this system be broken? What happens if an attacker exploits this flaw? How serious is this vulnerability? Common tools and skills. Kali Linux, Metasploit, Burp Suite, networking and operating systems, web and application security, scripting and automation. This role is ideal for people who enjoy problem solving, like offensive security, or curious and experimental. 4. Security engineer. The system builder. A security engineer focuses on building secure systems from the ground up. Instead of reacting to attacks, they prevent them. Their responsibilities include designing secure architectures, implementing security controls, automating security processes, integrating security into DevOps pipelines, ensuring compliance and policies. They think about long-term security, scalability, risk management, secure by design principles. Common tools and skills. Cloud security platforms, identity and access management, DevSecOps tools, encryption and security protocols, programming and automation. This role suits people who like design and architecture, want long-term impact, enjoy building systems, not just testing them. 5. Skills and mindset comparison. Cybersecurity analyst. Monitoring, incident response, detection. Ethical hacker. Penetration testing, vulnerability analysis. Security engineer. Architecture, automation, prevention. All three roles work together, each protecting the organization in a different way. 6. Career growth and salary direction. Typical career paths. Cybersecurity analyst, right pointing arrow. SOC lead, right pointing arrow. Security manager. Ethical hacker, right pointing arrow. Senior pen tester, right pointing arrow. Red team lead. Security engineer, right pointing arrow. Security architect, right pointing arrow. CISO. In general, analysts have strong demand and stable growth. Ethical hackers often earn more due to specialized skills. Security engineers earn top salaries due to system responsibility. 7. Which role should you choose? Choose cybersecurity analyst. If you are new to cybersecurity, like monitoring and investigation, choose ethical hacker. If you love breaking systems, enjoy offensive security, choose security engineer. If you like designing secure systems, want leadership and architecture roles, security is not about titles. It's about choosing the role that matches your mindset. Conclusion: cybersecurity needs defenders, attackers, and architects. Great security teams are built with all three roles. Start with your strengths. Grow step by step. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe. Comment below which role you're aiming for: analyst, ethical hacker, or security engineer. See you in the next video.